Boys and girls, today we're going to change it up a bit. We're going to read a little bit from a non-fiction book, which means a book that tells us facts. It's not a story, it tells us information. And then we're going to switch over to a fiction book that actually still has information in it. So let's start with this one. It says, "What are they? What birds cannot fly? What birds spend most of their lives in the ocean but are not fish? What birds live in the coldest part of the world all year long? They swim, they march, they slide through snow. They are, you tell me." Right, penguins. I'm sliding. This map is so cool. This shows us where they live. Look, all penguins live between the equator and the South Pole. So the equator is this imaginary line in the middle of the Earth, and the South Pole is way down here by Antarctica. So all penguins live down here. They don't live in the North Pole, just the south part. Some live where it's very cold, down here. See, there's a lot that live down where it's very cold. But some live in warmer places, like off the coast of Africa or Australia. Right there, and look, South America. Penguins live on islands, on coasts, and even on icebergs at sea. They just need to be near water because they spend most of their lives in the water. They have big eyes to see underwater. They have big webbed feet for steering. They have soft feathers to trap heat and stiff oily feathers to keep out water. And they have flippers to act like boat paddles to push and steer. Cool. Now let's go to our other book. This was this book, in case you want to try to find it. Let's switch. This one has facts in it, but it also tells a little bit of a story because it's called Penguins, Penguins Everywhere by Bob Barner. Penguins, penguins everywhere. So the pictures aren't real pictures, right? They're drawings. Some penguins live in icy places, and some live in heat, like those coasts of South America. Remember, it was hotter there. Their colors help them hide when they fish for fishy treats. They're hiding. See, the blue belly is like the blue belly of the orca. Cold penguins huddle close with penguin heat to share. They huddle together. We'll read a story about that another day. Daddies warm the fragile eggs with tender, special care. Hot penguins fluff their feathers to cool off from the sun. That's a macaroni penguin. Their chicks call out from shady caves to ask for food and fun. Noisy penguins waddle and toboggan to the sea. Penguins love to slide. They're great at swimming, too. Each one honks to find its mate, wherever it may be. Penguins watch for sneaky seals as they swim and splash and play. Sleepy little penguins end another perfect day. Wow, information. It says, who eats penguins? Lizards, sharks, octopuses, gulls, snakes, seals, and orcas. Why do penguins look the way they do? In the water, black feathers blend in with the ocean bottom. This makes it hard for hungry penguin eaters to see the penguins from above, while feathers blend in with the light-colored sky, so hungry penguin eaters can't spot penguins from below. How do penguins move? Well, they tiptoe, they waddle, they dive. What do penguins say? Honk honk, yak yak, hee haw, hee haw. What do penguins eat? They eat krill, squid, and fish. So that was a lot of information on that page. This page shows us all kinds of different penguins. I have another page like that in the other book too. I'll show you that too. We have the emperor, the chinstrap penguin, the king penguin, the Humboldt penguin, the macaroni penguin, the royal penguin, the Snares Island penguin, the Galapagos penguin, the black-footed penguin, the erect-crested penguin, the Fiordland penguin, the Gentoo penguin, the Magellanic penguin, the yellow-eyed penguin, the rockhopper penguin, the Adélie penguin, and Little Blue. Now those are drawn, right? Pictures? Let's take this. That's our last page of that book. And let's go back. We're going to switch. Ready? Switch back to our fact book with the pictures of real penguins, and let's look at them. The fairy penguin is the smallest penguin. The Galapagos penguin is there. Here's the Snares penguin. There's the rockhopper and the yellow-eyed penguin. There's a Magellanic penguin. Let me go over here. There he is. Oh, here's the African penguin, the erect-crested penguin, the Fiordland penguin. Did we see all those? And let's do the next page. The royal, the macaroni, the Adélie, the Humboldt. The largest is the emperor penguin. Wow. This is the king penguin. This is the Gentoo and the chinstrap penguin. These penguins are playing.